Hey guys, Marian here, and today's video will be about my DJI Osmo Pocket first impressions, unboxing, vlogging, everything review. So I'm not like a camera reviewer or like an electronic stuff reviewer, but I'm just going to show you what are my thoughts about this as a vlogger. So most of the videos that I will shoot with this camera will be in 1080p and not in 4K. So the vlogging part will be at the end of the video, but first I will show you what's inside of this box and also how to operate the camera. So I'm from Malaysia and I bought this for 1,550 ringgit. And also a micro SD card for 89 ringgit. So these two together. And yeah, that's about it. I didn't buy any additional accessories because it wasn't available. And I want to test it out first to see what I need. Okay, so let's get started. This is the box of the DJI Osmo Pocket. And these are basically all the things that you will find inside this box. So your camera comes in a little like how to say, protective bag. I don't know, a case. Yes, a little protective case. And this is the camera itself. It also includes like a strap, a cable for charging, and two of these things which you can use to connect to your phone. So I'm using an iPhone, so basically I'm just using this one. And it also includes like a manual right here. So if you have any difficulties figuring out the camera, you can just refer to this. Now my SIM card includes this and this. So just this two, which is basically, basic. Alright, let me just show you how to operate this camera. Now, before you operate, you need to put the micro SD card in, which is here. Just put it in like this. And then turn it on. Press this for a long time. Now just remember this button. Click it once to change from photos to video. Photos to video. Click 2 times to recenter the gimbal. And click 3 times for the gimbal to turn 3 times again. And the gimbal will turn to face the front. Now, how to take a picture? Okay, I'm going to change it to photo mode. And just click this once to take a photo. And what about videos? Click it once to record your video. Now, click it again to stop. So you can actually navigate the gimbal. Just go up, down, up, down to scroll up, and click 2 times to recenter. Easy, right? Okay, now let's say you've taken a photo. Just swipe and you will see your video right here, and swipe up to see previous videos. What if you don't like the video? Swipe again, click delete. Okay, done. Go back. Now you can actually choose whether you want to take a photo or video here, slow motion, time lapse, or panorama. So all is available here. For photos, you can swipe again and you can change the ratio of the photo. I usually just use this one, And you can also do a countdown right here. So I don't want the countdown right now, so it's on off. So swipe back, and for the video, swipe, so you can choose 4K or 1080p. And there's also an FPS right here, frames per second. Got it? How about slow-mo? Let's see. 1080p. That's about it. Time lapse, hyper time lapse, motion lapse, panel. I don't really use this much, so I can't really talk about this because I just usually use it for video. Okay, so you're back to the main screen, and you can actually change your settings right here and all your things here, but I won't really talk much about this because I just use it for like vlogging, but you can kind of like explore it for yourself. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. I want to show you now like how I connect it to my phone. Now all you have to do is just connect this. And then take your phone and connect it like this. So turn it on. And go to the app. So once it connects, it will be like this. And you can actually take a video much better with this. And you can see your videos right here. So I will show it to you guys later when I'm going out. And to disconnect, you just pull it up. Simple as that. So the app is called DJI Mimo. And do download this in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. And this is the app, DJI Mimo. That's basically it. So let me just show you how to charge this. To charge your DJI Osmo Pocket, all you need is an adapter and your cable. So just connect it. Turn it on and then charge it right here. And there you go. It'll blink when you charge it. That's all. Hello. His leg is doing fine. I'm just waiting for his fur to grow back.
So sekarang kita pergi pasar Borneo, mau beli sayur, mau beli tarap, mau beli itu kue. Jom kita pergi.
After you cut, crush, or mince it, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so as to release its healthy compounds. And don't get lazy and rely on garlic powder, which does not.
I'm at the park right now, and there's like a lot of cars. I have to park further than where I usually park. That's good, right? It's a good day for a walk. It's a little bit hot, but it's good. So previously this place was closed, and I'm thinking I want to go here. Ooh, so pretty. Very pretty. So I'm going to use this app today called Neuron, and I just want to use my card to register payment. Okay, so I'm just going to scan this ride. Okay, so I put it in its parking spot. It's time to end my trip. End trip. Confirm. It made a sound. Okay, so I have to take a picture of it. I take a picture. That. Done. Hai. Yang tuhan ini pedas kah? Sebenarnya tidak makan pedas.
Tidak, kurang padas itu.
Kurang pedas. Yang mana satu? Yang ini kah?
Ini posarka, yang itu tuna pun boleh.
Wow.
Begitu juga tidak berapa. Kalau yang pedas merah, boleh rasa juga. Nah,
Berapa nih tarap?
ada seharga deh. 1 kilo 22.
Oh,
Saya sudah letak.
macam mana sih mau pilih yang bagus?
Sama juga tuh.
Maju nanti yang sampai.
Ada dua jenis.
Ya, satu rasa gula apung. Ya, di Sarawak famous dalam es krim gula apung.
Gula apung.
Ya.
Alah, saya muat satu ice cream sudah. Naik lapis Sarawak. Masih ada new chap? Masih ada new chap?
Ini siapa?
Oh. Ketuhap.
Sudah. Ya. Ada orang bikin semua biji. So ini sudah ada 8, 9, and then
So I bought like a lot of stuff just now, including this banana. Delicious. I'm gonna eat it later because it's fresh now. It's hot and fresh, and I even got tuhan. And the thing that I came for, the tarap. my Bigpay. Thank you.
No, don't go tell me.
Now it recognizes me. Now it recognizes me. Okay guys, so my car actually broke down yesterday and I need a car, and I decided to use a car sharing app called Socar. No, car renting app called Socar. And today I'm renting a Honda HR-V, and I will show you around while also showing you how is this camera. So this is my reservation for today, a Honda HR-V, and that is my car, this white one. Ta-da! So let me just put you on the ground first so that I can. So it's either something wrong with the app or something is wrong with my phone. I will get back to you guys. So now basically how I turn on the engine is by pressing on this button right here. And press it again. and it's turned on. Okay, so let's get started. I need to fill up the petrol right now. So basically they provide like a card which you can use to fill up the petrol.
And just kind of gives you a warning that you might not want to be doing while you're driving. You can, however, push and hold, or pull and hold if you have a Civic or other.
Okay, so I can basically use it now. Alright, so this is a new car, and let me just make myself comfortable. Basically, how to start the car is to press this engine. While I'm holding my brake. Okay, it's all on now. I love this cute little car. Okay, so I've reached the park, and oh my gosh, I'm just not used to driving in this car, even though it's very nice. It's so high, the seats. Like, how do I put it down? So basically now, just to stop the engine, go out. Then all I have to do is just lock the car. Ta-da! Done. And what a beautiful day today again. Gonna use this again. Okay, so the scooter thing did not work. Everything was on low. So I'm just gonna take a walk today. Basically, this is what the camera looks like when I'm outside and in the sun. And I think the quality is better compared to when I'm inside a room. Look at that. So pretty. So I'm done with my exercise of the day, and we're going back to the car. That's the car, and I'm gonna unlock the car right now. Oh, the car didn't make any sound. It's alright, I can open it. Oh. Ta-da! I am like super tired right now. How do I undo? Gotta go back and work. So I will end this video right here. I hope that you guys enjoy my DJI Osmo Pocket vlogging, and I hope that it helps you to make a decision if you want to buy this camera or not. For me, I think this is a great camera that is able to help you to vlog those unique places that you can't use with a Canon G7X. So yeah, do let me know any comments that you have in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.